Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about the difference between traditional and Roth IRAs. Let's get into the video. Individual retirement accounts are essential tools for retirement planning, offering tax advantages that can help you grow your savings over time. Two of the most popular types of IRAs are the traditional IRA and the Roth IRA. While both serve the purpose of retirement savings, they have distinct differences that can significantly impact your financial planning. This video, I looked at the differences, contribution limits, the concept of rough aging, conversion strategies, and other critical aspects to help you make informed decisions. Tax treatment. Traditional IRA. Contributions to a traditional IRA are typically tax deductible, meaning you can reduce your taxable income for the year you make the contribution. You do not pay taxes on the interest, dividends, or other earnings as they are received. However, withdrawals during retirement are taxed as ordinary income. Roth IRA. Contributions to a Roth IRA are made with after-tax dollars, so they are not tax deductible. The significant advantage is that qualified withdrawals during retirement are tax-free, including any appreciation. Age limits and contribution rules. Traditional IRAs, there is no age limit for contribution as of tax years after 2029. You can contribute as long as you have earned income or qualified for a spousal IRA. Roth IRA. Similarly, there is no age limit for Roth IRA contributions. However, the amount you can contribute may be limited based on your modified adjusted gross income. Contribution limits. For 2024, the contribution limit for both traditional and Roth IRA are under age 50, 7,000; age 50 or older, 8,000. This includes a $1,000 catch-up contribution. Income limits for 2024 traditional IRA contributions. There are no income limits unless the individual also actively participates in an employer's retirement plan, in which case the deductibility of these contributions may be limited based on the taxpayer's modified adjusted gross income and filing status. If the taxpayer's income exceeds certain thresholds, the amount they can deduct may be reduced or eliminated entirely. For 2024, if covered by employer retirement plan, the deduction for contributions to a traditional IRA is phased out if the individual's MAGI is between 77,000 and 86,999 for single filers or heads of household. So that's between 77,000 and 86,999 for single filers or head of household. Also between 123,000 and 142,999 for married couples filing jointly, if the spouse making the IRA contribution is covered by a workplace retirement plan. Between 0 and 999 for married individuals filing separately. Between 230,000 and 239,999 for the non-active spouse of a married couple filing jointly, where the other spouse actively participates in an employer's retirement plan. If MAGI exceeds the top of the range, then none of the contribution is deductible. But this does not mean that a contribution cannot be made to a traditional IRA. It just would not be deductible. In this case, upon distribution, a percentage of the IRA attributed to non-deductible contributions won't be taxable. Income limits for 2024 Roth IRA contributions. Single filers, the ability to contribute to a Roth IRA phases out between a MAGI of 146,000 and 160,999. Married filing jointly, the phase-out range is between 230,000 and 239,999. Married filing separately, the phase-out range is between 0 and 999,000. Required minimum distribution. Traditional IRA, you must start taking RMDs at the age of 73. Roth IRAs, there are no RMDs during the account holder's lifetime, making it an excellent tool for estate planning. Rough aging and conversion tragedies. Rough aging. The term rough aging refers to the 5-year rule that applies to Roth IRAs. To make tax withdrawal of earnings, the Roth IRA must be at least 5 years old and the account holder must be at least 59 and a half years old. This rule emphasizes the importance of starting a Roth IRA early to maximize its tax-free growth potential. Converting a traditional IRA to a Roth IRA. Converting a traditional IRA to a Roth IRA can be a strategic move, especially if you expect to be in a higher tax bracket in retirement. The conversion involves the transferring funds from a traditional IRA to a Roth IRA and paying taxes on the converted amount. Here are some key points to consider. Tax implications. The amount converted is added to your taxable income for the year, which could push you into a higher tax bracket. Timing. Conversions can be done gradually over several years to manage the tax impact. Future tax benefits. Once converted, the funds go tax-free, and qualified withdrawals are tax-free. Negatives of conversion for older taxpayer. While converting to a Roth IRA has its benefits, it may not always be advantageous for older taxpayers. Here are some potential downsides. Immediate tax liability. Older taxpayers may face a significant tax bill upon conversion, which could deplete their retirement savings. Shorter time horizon. With less time to benefit from tax-free growth, the immediate tax hit may not be offset by future tax savings. Impact on Social Security and Medicare. The increased taxable income from the conversion could affect the taxation of Social Security benefits and the cost of Medicare premiums. Spousal IRAs and contribution strategies. Spousal IRAs. A spousal IRA allows a working spouse to contribute to an IRA on behalf of a non-working or low-earning spouse. This can be either a traditional or a Roth IRA. The contribution limits are the same as for individual IRA, and the working spouse income must be sufficient to cover the contribution for both spouses. Contribution strategies. When money is tight, contribution to the traditional IRA can provide an immediate tax deduction, which can be beneficial when money is tight. This reduces your taxable income and can provide more funds for other expenses. Convert later in life. Once your financial situation improves, you can consider converting your traditional IRA to a Roth IRA. This allows you to take advantage of the tax deduction initially and benefit from tax-free withdrawal later. The importance of retirement saving beyond Social Security. Relying solely on Social Security for retirement income is risky. Social Security benefits are designed to replace only a portion of your pre-retirement income, and the future of this benefit is uncertain due to demography and economic factors. Here are some reasons why additional retirement savings are crucial. Rising costs. Healthcare and living expenses continue to rise, and Social Security may not keep pace with inflation. Long, longe- Longevity. People are living longer, increasing the need for more substantial retirement nest egg. Quality of life. Additional savings can provide a more comfortable and secure retirement, allowing for travel, hobbies, and other activities. Choosing between a traditional IRA and a Roth IRA depends on your current financial situation, future income expectation, and retirement goals. Understanding the differences, contribution limits, and conversion strategies can help you make informed decisions that align with your long-term financial plan. With traditional IRAs offer immediate tax benefits, Roth IRAs provide tax-free growth and withdrawals, making them a powerful tool for retirement savings. Additionally, considering spouse, spousal IRAs and the importance of saving beyond Social Security can further enhance your retirement security. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.